Welcome back to the channel Auto Trend. Today, we are stepping onto the battlefield of precision, power, and modern warfare dominance. This is not just another missile. This is a weapon that has shaped conflicts for nearly 4 decades and continues to define the meaning of accuracy. The name is simple, but the impact, unforgettable. The AGM-114 Hellfire. Born in the United States, originally designed as an anti-tank missile, the Hellfire became much more than that. It evolved into a multi-role precision strike weapon. Whether the target is a moving tank, a fortified bunker, a speeding pickup truck, or a high-value threat hiding in the shadows, Hellfire delivers the final message with absolute certainty. Its name alone tells the story. Hellfire is short for helicopter-launched fire and forget. And yes, that was the original intention. You lock the target, fire the missile, and leave the rest to its onboard guidance system. No second attempt, no chance for escape. The missile itself is compact, lightweight, and incredibly aerodynamic. It travels at nearly Mach 1.3, fast enough to cross the battlefield before the enemy even realizes they've been seen. And with a range that can reach out to 11 kilometers, Hellfire allows helicopters and drones to strike from a safe distance, far from enemy fire. Over the years, the Hellfire has seen countless upgrades. Guidance improved, control improved, accuracy improved beyond imagination. The newest Hellfire variants can strike moving vehicles in crowded terrain with pinpoint accuracy. Even if the target tries to hide behind cover, the missile can track it, adjust mid-flight, and still hit exactly where it needs to. This is why Hellfire became the most successful air-to-ground precision missile in modern military history. Used by dozens of countries, used in conflicts across the Middle East, Europe, Asia, Africa, and beyond, it earned a reputation, not of brutality, but of precision. A weapon that ends fights swiftly, surgically, and effectively. Imagine being on the battlefield. The sky is clear. You don't see the drone. You don't hear the helicopter. You don't know you're being watched. And then, impact. No warning. No time to react. That's Hellfire's power. Silent surveillance. Instant consequence. And even now, after so many years, the Hellfire hasn't retired. It has evolved into the next generation and inspired even greater missile systems. But the legacy of the original Hellfire remains untouchable. This is the weapon that redefined modern warfare, not through size, not through fear, but through accuracy, intelligence, and precise control. Thank you for watching Auto Trend. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the world's most influential weapons, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what weapon or aircraft should we cover next? Until then, stay sharp, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.